Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect FundedNext, to your MetaTrader 5. So I have FundedNext right here, and I have MetaTrader 5. First, I want you to come to MetaTrader 5. Here at the top left, click on a file, and then click on open an account. And here, just search up FundedNext. Then click on find your company, and right here you'll see FundedNext Limited. So click on next. And then here, I'll click on connect with an existing trade account. If you want to create a real account right here, you can do that. Proceed with that right here. But I'll just connect with one. So I'll come back here to my browser. And here in the left-hand panel, click on accounts. You'll see all your different accounts that you have available. So I'll come to my futures account. I'll click on this one. Okay, so we're heading to the dashboard. And here under account details, you'll see your login. So I'll copy this, and then I'll also copy the investor pass. Okay, so there we go. I have the login, and then I'll copy the password, right? There we go. And we'll paste that in. Now server, as you can see, this is the FundedNext server. So we'll change this from server 4 to just the FundedNext server, and then click on finish. Then just give it about 2 seconds, and you'll see that we're actually connected. Okay. Right here, you should see a chime. There we go. As you can see, we have connected to the FundedNext server. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix